In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background color in Sumatra PDF. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them. The most basic one is to go to the top left and click on the three lines to open up the menu. Then you want to go and hover over settings, and then here you have your theme. So if you hover over theme, there's a bunch of different ones. The default is going to be light, but you can click any of these as well. So if I click on, for example, Nebula, it's going to turn like into this bluish color over here. But of course, that's just the color of the background over here of the program itself, not the color of my document. So let's first go over a second way to actually put a custom color as the background color, and then I'm going to show you how to change this background color of your actual document as well. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top over here. Let me actually reset this back to normal. There we go. And then you want to go to settings and click on advanced options. This is going to open up this editor over here where let me show you what's very fun in here. You have a bunch of different things you can change, like some settings, and over here you can see there's this one which is called main window background, and by default it's this color over here, but you can change this into any color you want. Now this main window background is referring to this background over here on the sides. So if you want to change this, you can go to Google and you can search up like HTML color codes or hex color codes. You can go in here, any of these are going to work, and you'll need this hashtag code to actually be able to use it. So if I go and select a random color over here, like for example this very light blue, as you can see this specific color here is 29EAF2. So you just have to copy this by clicking on this copy button over here, and then whenever you do that, whenever you find your color, you want to get in here and you want to change this over here. So main window background, you want to leave the hashtag and change these numbers. And if I now save this, so file save, you can see there we go, it's going to change my background right over here. Now that's the first way to do it. Of course, the second one is the one I showed you, but now let's actually change of course the background of my document itself. So what you want to do, again, you want to go to settings and then advanced options, and in here if you scroll down, you'll see it's going to say fixed page UI, and then here you have the option of a background color. Now if you change this color over here, which by default is white, it's going to change the color of your background of your document, which is amazing. So again, I'm gonna go to my hex code picker over here, and we're gonna make it like, let's make it like light green, like lime almost. I'm gonna go and copy this. Then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to change the background color from this white, which is FFFFF, to of course this one. I'm gonna press file, save, and there we go. As you can see, the color of my background has been changed just like this. So that's how you can do it. And of course, then you can exit this when you're ready. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.